Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to place tiles in board game tours. As the first action of the player must draw a tile from one of the stacks here, and the tile is then shown to other players so they can advise the player about where to place it. For example, this tile is drawn and shown to other players, and then it's placed on the table, and the player must take care to observe the following points. At least one side of the new tile must touch one or more tiles already in play. So you cannot put it here nor here. It always has to touch a tile, and also any city, road and field segments must continue segments already in play. A newly placed land tile must fit the adjacent terrain on all edges. During placement, it is not enough to look for only one side that fits. So this one can fit here because it touches the green spaces, but it cannot fit like that because then the road doesn't finish. So I can put it here, 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 or here, anywhere that all of the sides fit. So I'm gonna put it here, and then let's move on to another tile like this one, and now I can place it wherever it fits. So it can fit here, but it can also fit here and here, and it can also fit here because this space fits, as well as the green ones, and the road fits as well. And I can also put it here because it fits here and fits here. In the rare case that a tile cannot legally be placed anywhere and all players agree, it is removed from the game and the player draws another one. And that's how you place tiles in Carcassonne. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.